Eating healthy is one of the most important things for a child's brain and growth. Fruit and vegetables are essential for your child's healthy growth. Proper nutrition will feed the brain and help your child retain more information, learn new information faster, and create the needed chemicals in the brain for a happy mood and to have a better immune system. Processed foods like chips, candy, fast food, and frozen meals contain a lot of sugars, salts, and chemicals that can stop the proper function of the brain and the body. Here are some tips on how you can get your family started into healthier eating habits. Instead of chips, eat carrots or broccoli. These are high in protein and minerals. Instead of candy, eat some yummy fruit, which is not only sweet, but it also has a lot of minerals, vitamins, and nutrients. And instead of soda, drink water. Water helps the brain function the correct way. It helps to boost the immune system, and it's vital for a healthy growth. The recommended amount of water a day is half of your weight in ounces. Remember, stay healthy and set a good example for your child.